Fine, boom arrived. Just there. You look out for vegetarian as well to vegan, yeah, but then
with the meat pan.
yeah.
Special diet for people and anything.
Okay, okay. Very interesting. Right, Anna? I like your uniform though. Yes. I like the uniform. So this one is from Will, you know, for the mother to buy some more stocks and stuff. You know? Yes. From Will. So this is $14,000. You know, here, same here. So Will say I should give it to your mommy for your mommy to buy some more stocks put on the stall for you, okay?
Yeah.
So thank Will.
Thank you, Will.
From Canada.
From Canada.
Yes. So mommy count it, so it's 14,000.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love, good morning. Yes, guys, so today is the day we're gonna get some paint, you know, to paint the Wow Chef house. So I saw you guys put some colors and everything, you know, so let's see what's there when we get there, you know. So I'm going to head into Portmore, you know, over by Edgecombe, because Edgecombe have a sale going on over there.
Turn right at Marcus Garvey Drive.
So that's where I'm going to head to.
In 500 meters, merge onto Marcus Garvey Drive.
Alright then. Yeah, so heading to Greater Portmore to see what kind of deals they have over there, because them says 25% off, you know, because it's coming up to the Black Friday sale, so them doing that percentage off now. So heading over Portmore, you know, to see what variety of paints they have, you know, where we can choose from and see if we can choose a color that you guys said to choose, right?
In
so
300 meters,
alright, I'm talking. Can you hear I'm talking? Can you just be quiet? Yeah, talk while I'm talking. You have no manners. With the GPS now, no manners at all. Listen, I'm still talking. Hold on, guys. Let me just make this stop the noise, because me I talk, it I talk. No manners, but turn it down. No manners at all. People can't be hear themselves. Sorry about that, yeah. Yes, as what I was saying, you know. So it's about that time, you know. And we're glad to reach to this point where literally he's gonna get his house painted. Say no after paint. What's next, you know, guys? So we want to get his furniture, his bed, you know, and well, we don't have to get him a TV because the TV is going to be coming down, you know. So this is it. The Wow Chef is going to be moving in. He's going to celebrate Christmas before Christmas even arrive, you know, early. So we're going to get this done, you know, get everything done and started, guys. So thank you guys so much, you know, for supporting the Wow Chef and this journey. To all our extended family, you know, we thank you so much. It's nothing but love and love alone, because to be honest, you know, thank you guys, it's like an understatement for me thanking you. You know, it's an understatement for the goodness of your heart, you know, for the compassion and love that you guys show, you know, by helping the people them in and around Trenchtown. You know, sometimes when I say God bless you guys, thank you guys, like it's like an understatement, you know, but the Lord sees and know how much I want to thank you. Words cannot say, you know, but only if you can feel what's really coming from my heart. You know, it's all about the heart, you know, and that's where we're looking at. And I know the Almighty will reach out and bless, you know, the way we're supposed to be blessed, because we're here to help each other and show each other love, you know, because we are demonstrating love, and love is the way. Love is what conquers all, you know. Hate can't conquer hate. Only love can push out hate. So hey, love and hate could never be friends. Could never. You know, but I love alone, guys, love alone. And this journey to worship was so wonderful, you know. I'm so happy that he's gonna get his new place, you know, he can really relax. And I can't wait to see that TV come where worship can literally in a bedroom. I watch him TV, I watch him Chelsea Blue. I know that's the time talk about Chelsea Blue. You know, because that's his team that he support in football. So guys, as I did mention, you know, after the worship opening and the house finish, I'm gonna take my official break, you know, to go and travel and then come back, you know, to do some work, you know. So that's what was my plan, you know. Going to Florida was quick mission express, you know, to sort out stuff, you know. So that was different from my original plan that I had to do after I finished worship project. So I think it's that time for me to go and experience, you know. But I think I need to go back to meet my subscribers there in New York, you know, New Jersey, Chicago. You know, I need to travel these states to meet you guys, because you guys have been so much fuel this engine to carry on this journey. So I need to come and visit you, you know. I need to come and say, hey, hello, how you doing? What's cooking? Steamed fish and vegetable. Yeah, man. So I'll be definitely coming back over there, you know, and then see what the Lord takes me where the sun shines. So guys, I am coming at a theater near you on your TV. So we're at the toll in a Portmore. Okay, you know, I'll see it now, we can't believe we still have to pay for toll. You know, well, we have to pay for the toll, but boy, Jamaica should have owned this toll by now. You know what I mean? But you know it goes already. We're still there, go and fight the struggle with that. Alright guys, so I just reached here in Portmore, Etchem. So they have the big yard sale and paints. So we're going to check out, let's go check out and see what type of paint and the prices that them have. Right now, so
What are you eating today?
Well, like you recognize me if I get something free.
I'm watching you.
You watch me all the time?
Yes. I go with this.
Oh, so you're going to help me choose then. Like how you watch me, you know who me come buy this for. Like how you watch me, you know who me come buy this for.
I know which one of them are best for now. The mango? What's your name? Esther?
Oh man, whole chef.
Eh? Oh, the big man. Oh, 11, 10.
As long as it has the 30 minutes, because you have to screw it It's a brownie.
That's a power. You using the color chart? Tambourine and me? You finished?
I'm going to take it. You want it?
No, you can't. Oh, that was yours.
Yeah.
You have any more color charts?
I eat melon.
What's that? I'm just going to mango squash.
You don't need it.
That's going to cause a white.
No.
Is the party in that?
From inside
Thank you. He's taking it out for you. The car is okay? We're in the drive. So we have the carriage. Yeah. No, because he's going to take it out so you know. Yes.
the mango squash this way.
Yeah, that's a mango squash.
Yeah, I will chef the guy who's going to the house pan.
Yeah.
I was here by the paint pack or the paint most now.
Oh, you're ready to pay him?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want you to see it. So I'm not going with it.
Thanks. So you like the mango squash?
Yeah, the mango squash is nice. But which other color have you made?
Well, I like this too.
But how much of it you need?
2 gallon.
1 gallon?
Yeah. Low sheen, right?
Low sheen?
I'm on 2 white as well to low sheen.
2 white?
Low sheen.
This is the fruit. It's going to
Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the mango squash. The whole chef love mango, you know. So I'm gonna drop out a mango tree as well too. So I guess we're gonna get in the mango squash. Because I'm gonna drop out another mango tree, picking mango for Esther. You know, so mango squash is suited. So we're gonna get the mango squash.
Our burst of pink.
So what can I discount and get like how you know me?
Yeah, get good discount, 25%.
Make it 50 now.
Me can.
Make it
I
50.
get the one for 50. That is down on Spanish Tower head office.
Oh.
We start that on this Thursday coming. Alright, so I'm going to tell you.
Alright.
Everybody get the truth?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna settle for the mango squash. So let's get the mango squash. Alright, so that's what we're gonna settle for. It's gonna look nice, just bright and wash it light.
What big bad glass I
Two white, two mango squash.
2 by 2 mango squash. Alright then,
Alright, take care. Nice seeing you.
yeah, keep watching, right?
Yes.
Spread the
You can
word.
send your neighbors.
Send the neighbors.
Say today.
Alright, let's send the whole of them.
Alright, thanks again.
Alright guys, so I get 4 gallons of paint for the wall chef, you know, so instead I use wall chef donation money, you know, I use my money to purchase it for the wall chef, you know, because I'm gonna say wall chef is a man who deserve all of this, you know, he really deserve it, I'm not lying, so yeah man, so it's job well done, you know, so that's one job done. The next one is to get the house paid now and get it looking good, so the house opening is going to be something else for the wall chef. So it's going to be one more accomplishment, you know, for the dream team, you know, for what we've done. It's nothing but love, you know. We thank you guys for the support, you know. So I just purchased these paints, you know, for the worship because, you know, we're still going to buy, we still need to buy his bed, you know, and his furniture. So instead of using sometimes the donation money, so we don't want to be like running low on any funding, so I just do that to help out same way, you know. So let's get out of here. Alright guys, so we're back in Trenchtown, guys, but come, wow chef gone on the road, can't find some of the man them, you know, man them missing in action, you know, so they here with the paint and everything, so me and Joe is here, Mighty Joe Young is here, you know, so wow chef him gone on the road. I tell wow chef to stay up. We're gonna do some other man gone on the road. You know, so it's only Joe there here, don't know where Boom is, and Talpi and the rest of them. You know, make the man say today is paid day. Guys, the man they're missing in action. Missing in action. Right? I know it's only Joe there here. Yeah, only Joe. Okay, I'll leave all the work on Joe. And the wall not finished rub yet. But even the wall not finished rub as well, so I'll tell them to rub the wall from yesterday. And the wall still not rub. So wow chef just come. Wow chef just arrived. So
See sandpaper there. Tear the sandpaper and use it up and so. Paint. first boat that.
Oh. They said the boat was bad and yes up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to go in there.
Like the whole around it, just for the sandpaper.
Alright guys, so I see worship just come. You know, worship should have been here. So as we said, I just Joe and worship there here, so yeah, just go and do what we can
This
do.
guy knows, look here. Look, this guy knows.
Yeah, sandpaper.
Yeah, man, he knows this one.
Yeah, yeah, come in and over.
Yeah, for one. Let's go and rub others for them for the time being then, worship. Jackson. So we've been wondering where the main body disappear.
Lord, you should be there, you see up at yesterday, man. So go on the yard.
Why?
Do that with me.
No. Well, they want to get rubbed off. You know me have mask. You never take out none of the mask yesterday. You never take out a pack of the mask. You watch it?
Master, I shot them there now.
Now go for it.
I shot them there. When you put the phone, you see a big pack of mask.
Come here and go for the paintbrush.
Yeah.
So I go for the mask so we can go and rub off the wall.
I can go to paintbrush and grab one and something like that. Look at paintbrush, you.
The more about it, I link him. I link him.
I tell you, you're fine.
I link him.
You see? Yeah, I'm going to tell you.
I link him. What boom boom there? Am I asleep? Come here and call him out long, we don't hear him. Alright guys, so we find Boom arrived, Jackson there. Yeah. This is what we're talking about. Where you want to find that up? So you turn the pan in here, so?
Yes, that's right, yes.
Sini ba may roller? Saan is the pan? You want one? Good the bucket? Yeah. Joe, you know what I gotta do? Look here. To the outside, we're gonna mix a color. Mix some of the one we're in there, so with that one here. Yeah. So mix some. To the outside, yeah, so. Wow, same thing over there on the side there, so. Yeah. They don't want them kind of move, so I want to use the paintbrush and go and paint the palette them. Like the bicycle and them something there.
Yeah.
How for bicycle?
can't be bicycle, you know.
Move on, Esther. Close the wire, sir. Let's put on a picture for us. Jenna, all is well? Bombing ball, all is well. Did I sleep? Today on the work. I need some of the Vitamax. Need the energy, man. Eh? Put them on the wire.
And what they bring it? And what they bring it?
Come here, one senior and a jar. Go over to the big go.
Can make it run? Yeah, make it run though. So you mix it? Yeah, make it run. I put it with that.
Call my friend in the yard for buying the key for pull the gate, because you can't go through the yard and take it off. You have to have a padlock.
I'm seeing him already and tell him and say him get on the road. Yeah, that's something.
I don't want to rub it again yet.
Yes, you want to rub down the wall?
Yeah, I rub up all the cement down by the wall.
Oh, that never tap down, Joe?
No, me have to fix the board first.
Oh.
Click left back. So I never knock it by the wall.
Oh.
Put it up here.
We are going to edge them, boom.
You know, rub up too quick, I'm not going to rub them the wall. Yeah. Rub them spot there. White spot them? Them white spot.
Oh, them one. Yeah, them one rub. So this is going to get another coating, and this is the first coat. So you're going to get another coat, on the wall, different color, mango squash. But we can stand up on the bed. Can stand on the bed. Make worship go and paint the fence outside of us.
But I still look at something funny. You know, look at something I said at home, right?
Oh, things with them.
No, really things in the makeup.
Look good.
Eh?
I said, the more them can paint that, no?
Of course.
You get them.
You go there, man. So Junior, now get the tin sheet them. See when we are talking about. Eh?
All of them videos. Oh, me the ask him, yeah, man, them produce them, the ask him. They something here.
But once the paint will look better. Run the strokes cross. That work.
Yeah. Say next half a piece, look at this.
No man, it's fucking cool, sir. It's easy to ask because I was saying it was squeezed out.
Say yeah, well.
Put the man do it.
Yeah, man, I know what I'm saying.
Oh, it can't well. It can't well.
Ding it, and
Yeah, blue bread, tell you.
yeah.
One man and then fix up camera, man.
You know what we're gonna do? You know what we have to go do too? You see the paint we're out here, so we use it as well. We're sending cross around here, saying.
On the side, yeah.
That will come over here, so too. Because it's not gonna look good for no, so you're outside paint and you know, and all things was crampy door. Yeah. Okay, if we could get a roller now, me could have painted. We need a roller.
Paint that?
Yeah, we need a roller stick and everything.
The stick you want, roller stick?
Yeah, with the roller as well too.
Roller stick for more, but we don't have a roller, you know. And shop top, you know. The stick itself, when we screw in a roller.
Yeah, we need a roller as well.
No, we don't have a roller, but we have a stick. Crampy!
Crampy!
A roller! I'm bringing them two there.
Yeah.
I'm going to put a borrow back one, the next big one for me.
One of them over there. The guys, as they can see, Jackson there, Dalphy there, Joe there, Wow gonna shop and get the wow thing team art. Then when it goes there,
Team to art them.
yes. So, I'm gonna want some painting. So yesterday I'm gonna show them what you are going on the inside. So guys, so we have Esther Campbell behind the camera. So Esther, let them know say you're behind the camera.
With the behind the camera.
Cheese Star General.
Where do you? Yeah, run paint.
Which is right.
Boom, where do? Run or you brush paint?
Paint.
Boom, a brush paint.
Paint. Give the finishing touch.
Oh, you get the finishing? You restarting and boom, I do the finishing.
Leave her.
That me know.
He can do it. He can make it work.
And we talk, oh, talk to the finishing out yourself.
Man, I do a good thing, you know?
Yeah,
Beside a big Joe.
that me say.
Yeah, beside a big Joe, you know?
You not spin? It has spin, oh. It not spin there, but it has spin from the wall. Did we do paint? Yeah, brush paint. Oh, and can I roll paint? So two a roll and three a brush.
The guys are also a painter by professional. Yeah? Also, I got my levers but I never go and complete it. But I did.
What, level 2?
No.
Level 3?
I done level 1.
Oh, level 1.
Yeah. Guys, only done level 1.
So you get the certificate
I
yet?
got my certificate for level 1 for painting and decorating. Yeah? Yeah. I got my level 1.
For art?
No. That's in City College.
Oh, City College.
I got my level 1 for painting and decorating, and also for tiling as well. So I did start.
We never finish.
I never finished. So I'm going to take on the music journey, guys. So that was the reason. So I said, let's do the music.
What, England?
Yeah.
Ah,
It's England and Jamaica. England.
I think you have a city college here, you know?
Yeah. So guys, just because she would take on the music journey, but kind of pause it, you know? I think I was look, so what should have come with the name
But
there.
you can't finish it though. Art. Art.
Yeah, man. Art I love, you know, yeah, Joe. Yeah, man, get it, man. 2 art me have, you know. Yeah, man, so I don't know. Art I love. Boy, I'm full of art. So all if I love in my system, you know. More I love in my art, I'm a brain to dance, you know. Yeah, man.
So 3 art.
Yeah,
1
man.
air brain and 2. 2 down so.
But here what's gonna happen, guys. If we paint one side of the house and leave the next side, it's not gonna look appropriate, right?
Sure.
So I guess we have to go stretch the paint and go over to the next side. To the brothers then.
Yeah.
Right? Because Junior!
Junior in there?
We need to change your door. You know, so we should take the money from Junior and buy a door. We should take $1,000 from him every day. You know, Rasta. Rasta door alright, you know. Junior door. Should I take
Better do on the two, I'm not fully work yet. And them thing, they put it up a change and later to fix up, but I just be a little vibe. And fight me out of the work, start be on to more.
But the work way left on?
No. I mean, I run up the car wash up there.
Oh.
And when them fight me out, I can see, I lock it locked down.
Oh, you watch here. You know, say Esther take when you look to see a lot here.
Me take him sale.
But it's ready for wash your now.
I'm gonna make the work easier for you.
Huh?
I'm gonna make it easier for you.
Color look bad. Color nice. Don't
Yeah,
you
the
look
colour
bright?
nice.
Don't want to put more inside as well. Yeah, man. Guys, so you don't say the next time you're gonna see the house is when they have the house opening, you know. So now we just go and finish our clean as they can see. Barney, how you do? No with the white. And the white I go over there. No man. And the white I go over there, man. You see how we get the white? You see white today? No, I know at the short court. Then they say a short court. So Mr. White did around here so. No man, the short court man, see that? How you say the short court, you know? A white that up here so. For them thing, a short court here so man. See that? A short court in there. A short court man. So what color are you so? Mango squash, you did this already? Yeah guys, I can see the ceiling, you know. So ceiling get the second, you know. Place bright, you know. Let's get the second already. So you know, say it's on the, you know, this is the rough work going on. So this is the rough work going on. You understand? So you're gonna see everything when it's finished. So the next time you're gonna see this full house is when we're giving you guys the house opening, you know. So we'll need to get him a bed. We're gonna also need to get him a chest, a drawer, you know, and a dresser. So there's a donor. That donate also a fridge for him. We're gonna also pick that up as well too. You know, get the fridge and put that outside in the kitchen, you know. So we'll see what I want to do after rough work. As you can see the ceiling. You know, this is the bathroom ceiling. I already paint. You know, the bedroom ceiling. Let me show you as well the bedroom ceiling. Also paint. You know, so you can see the place look even brighter. Yeah, boom.
Yeah.
Was doing the edges.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So So the kitchen as well too. So you can see the ceiling is gonna get another coat as well too. It have one more coat to go over and everything. So yeah man, so the wall is gonna be this is a show coat, so the wall color is gonna be the mango squash. So guys, so you know it's gonna look so beautiful when we finish. You know it's gonna be beautiful. So stay tuned on that one. You know, so remember the next time you see it is a housewarming. So that is it. Well, blessed love, guys. So welcome to a not too sunny day, but we give thanks anyway, you know. So slightly sunny, overcast, as you can see, rain dripping. It's not heavy, so we give thanks. At least it's not pouring like the other days, you know. So now I'm out and I'm up here in Marmy River. Here come see my cranberry, you know, my adopted daughter, you know, cranberry. I'm here to come see her, you know, because it's been a while since the last time I've been up here. So you know she already when she see me, pure excitement. I know we all love cranberry. You the viewers them always talk about cranberry and love our ways and our style, you know. So let's go see what they've been up to since the last time we've been here, you know, from give them the donation to get them stalled out and everything, you know, because it's been raining, you know, so we know that business is probably slow from then times, you know, because we've been getting pure rain. So now as you can see, no rain today. We give thanks to thank you, Lord. Thank you for holding up your hands. So let's go see what's going on today. And guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are and anywhere you're watching from. You know, hope you're having a wonderful day. Remember to smile. You know, give that face a rest. You know, always remember to smile, guys. Remember. So this is just it right now. So I think I found the mom and them said the river came down as well too yesterday. You know, so you know whenever it rains, you know, cause it's up in the hills, and so the river always come down. You know, so hopefully I can cross it to get over. So let's go see where I go on. So you can hear works going on over that yard, and I always love over this yard. I always like it. There's a pool over there, but that pool seems like it's been done for many years, you know. I can also hear some music, so whenever the music is playing, you know that Boomer, the Rasta man, the man that maintained the river, you can know that he's about. I can hear the music.
Let's go.
Wagwan. Yes. Where can I cross it now? Right there, so. Nobody can cross it. They know the thing already. River come down. River come down. Last night. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Mama, the music, turn down a little bit, we get a chat.
Yeah, man, blessing, man, is it?
All is well.
Yes, man.
Turn the music down a little bit. The music, turn it a little bit. Alright guys, as you can see, the river came down yesterday as well, see? Told you. Came down yesterday. Oh man, how is everything, man?
Well, I've been thanks for life, you know.
It's been a while.
Yeah, man.
The rain been beating.
We shall do it work, you know. I'm there, I go and do my own.
Yes.
No problem there, you know. Yeah, man, we just there, I go and do it for.
Which is right. You see, you put on some work, no?
Yeah, man. The place, kind of, some of it kind of rock now. So.
Oh, right now.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, reconstruct it a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, I say, yo, look like the shop far along, so, cause from that direction when I'm looking, I'm like, it look like the shop far along. It far along, right? You push down. Cause the rain.
Yeah, the rain.
I can see. Cause look, you can underneath here in this collapse, you know. Boom. Even the shell, I go that way.
Yeah.
You know what happened? At the rain with the mud. With the mudslide.
I get some tire. As I'm like before, I build the wall.
Yeah.
I only to build the stone wall.
Yeah.
Just use the tire.
And build the stone wall around here.
And build the wall behind it.
So you can see, at the slide come down, you know, and I push down with the force. So you can see the shop literally I lean that way there. Yeah. So you can even see it by the look at your shelf. Like literally look at the shelf. It's going one way. You see? The shelf is going one way, bomber.
So I straighten it up.
Mm-hmm.
These are different.
Yeah. Good.
So pull on the front tire, the front of the bamboo.
Yes.
Like push some of the music. I use the pallet.
So you're gonna use the tire to build like a retaining wall.
Definitely so.
Because it's definitely gonna need like a retaining wall.
Yeah. That's when the debris come down. They come down from the shop.
So that's what's been happening.
In fact, when we get to tell them, really now piece of wall I'm not focused on.
Up here, sir?
Yeah, now we're moving shop. I carry the shop up here, sir. So now I just join everything up here, sir. But this now is like a shelter. So in a way, I still like to look at it, so now I get a different change. Temporarily, that brings out more up here, so. Yeah. Okay, so I put the perfection.
Yeah, put the shop up here, so then.
Shop, the kitchen.
Everything up here,
Everything up here, sir.
Yeah.
So when I get the tire now, I dig it down and set the tire in, set the wall, come back. You have to move that here, set the wall, come back.
Yeah.
So when I get the level here, I come do it here, so now, I'm going to have to put a wall here, set it here.
Are you build a wall here?
Yeah.
Okay. So you need a wall and make a lever as well.
Continue here, so now when I'm up there, so. So when I come here, so next year now, someone more have to do a shelter. Combine to after. With a rain or storm. Yeah. You know what I mean?
So guys, most of you new viewers, this is Boma.
Yeah, man.
He's a man that been maintaining this river for years and years, so
Definitely.
he's the co-founder, and keep it up to standard for whenever you're ready, you can come pass through Mami River. Because everyone comes here. Entertainers, movie stars, you name it. Celebrity lifestyle come here, because it's a nice one-hour chill spot.
The TikTokers was here.
Alright, the TikTokers, you name it. Every public
city.
Alright.
Rebel and Pretty, the whole team, the whole team. 2 bus load of them.
So all public figure come right here, like me myself, everyone comes here. It's a nice chill spot, especially when time it's nice and sunny. When the river come down and you have the pools, the pool them is here, you have more than one pool, like 3 sections of pools, right?
Definitely so.
Yeah, so the pool them use like sandbag, to build around like a pool where you can come and chuck off and enjoy yourself, As you guys know from my previous videos, for anyone that's been watching from them. But for the new viewers them, that's what it was before, So it's been so many rain, the river been coming down a lot, so can I get the chance to set up the bags them, but trust me, in due time you will see the beauty of it.
Yeah, because even sundown party, you will try to block it with some bomb.
Oh, party keeps Sunday right there. Yeah, me see right.
Some guests coming in and take the beach and do them all day Sunday. So they will say, you're like a little pool.
Yeah.
Pressure water now.
Come wash it well.
Yeah.
And that always costs, because this minute you buy a bag to set it up. Then the river come down, wash it away. So you have to buy a bag.
Yeah, you have to have bag.
You have to have
right,
bag.
You have to have bag.
And then use the crocus bags them. You know what them use. That's what the rice and flour bags them. That's what them use to make the barda,
Barda is around. Damn it. Yeah. You can get a dive one.
Yeah.
That's in the area.
Of course.
Yeah, man.
So everything good otherwise though?
Well, we have to give thanks to life. We're not complaining.
Cool, man. We have to give thanks, man. Because cranberry will come check,
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cranberry will come check them. Anything go, buy your drinks here. Me anything go.
I got blessing every time.
Oh, no, man. Every time, man. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Blessing, brother.
Then I go run an interview and get a something and then push out.
No problem.
Yeah?
I love energy.
Alright.
Yes. I love, welcome every time.
Mami River.
Yeah, man. The Eden Paradise, a Mami River.
Yeah, right. See there?
Definitely.
Man, do the right thing, man. Yeah?
Alright, my brother.
Alright. Just keep the music for that level of filming, because I come here to do a video up there. Alright. Yes, guys, so let's go see Cranberry, because the river come down and kind of give him a rough time, so this is what Mami River is like, so as I can see the bags them right here, where we used to make a pool, so in there with a truck car, but you can see the river come down and wash away all of it, But it's a nice spot, trust me. Nice hidden gem around here. So wait there. Where am I gonna cross it? Oh, can I walk here? This spot. Walk on this spot. Cranberry! Look at them running coming down. Cranberry! Did I watch myself there? Yeah? Yeah. Sit down. How you doing? This is my cranberry. And her sister here. How's you guys alright?
Yes. How much are you? How old?
Step nice, step nice.
Mr. Last time you come here, go give a big hug and she never.
I mean, go upstairs, go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
Making
make beer noise.
Beer noise. Cranberry charge. As I come, she'll give daddy a big hug. More hugs. Alright.
Daddy, you know, come.
Come now, right?
Yeah. So I'm happy.
You're happy, right? Exactly. Tell them I'll come. You know me have to come. Right?
The day when me call them, tell mother. No, you don't show the girl this. When you got this food shop.
Oh, we got a food shop.
I may see her talk and say you go look about some food foreign. We are watching something. Are you the God? Jamaica.
Oh, you got a Jamaican. So you've been watching. You guys watching everything.
You have to baby, I look down by you know.
Who that, Toko?
Tyra.
Oh, Tyra. Who's Toko? She a slave.
Yeah.
Oh, where's your mommy? She up there? Let's go up. Let's go up.
I would just tell her, say you must
soon reach.
Yeah, me just tell her to call Kim and mommy. Yeah, the man said me have to wait.
Okay, no, I'm going.
And just tell him, when you get so long, like a stop and go change.
No, traffic.
Huh?
Traffic.
Like you up
here, rain up here.
What can I say? And show me for clean up the yard into the rubbish and there, so go on.
Oh.
To a Sunday. Clean the food pass. Look and clean.
You see the dye come out of your ear now, it's getting back red.
I told my that one dye for me and can't get no money to buy it.
I don't know why the teacher want your ear dye. The teacher don't see that it's natural here.
Yeah, she said for dye back.
The teacher?
Yes.
That teacher don't want 2 licks.
I can't tell me dye back.
Tell the teacher say to leave you alone. Go dye back here. Oh, go on. The teacher really want them to dye back them ear again? No, sir. This teacher don't have no kids. I don't think she have kids. She need to research and see what you can get with natural ear. Cause this is not natural ear. Why she want to dye the kids them ear?
Mom, tell Kim was watching something I would have said.
I should tell me a while ago so she watch sir.
Mommy, I'm few more comedy. I get one other necklace.
Which one? This one?
Then,
yeah.
I don't want to me. I want to leave you for you. You have to over there and two over there.
See, that's how watch me out, so. Yes, I watch me out, so. Talk a local sleeve.
Yes, she knock out.
She knock out.
She hears her come, she said, you know something from your car. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, talk a local?
Well, we can't she knows saying, come and she will cost in here. You see you?
Yeah.
You see you? You like the Kima coming now.
Talk a local. See the rain drew again. Rain.
That will stop.
It's gonna stop. Let's see if it's gonna
Yeah,
stop.
wash me. I have to go wash my clothes every week. So I don't know it. So I can't have to wait.
Hello, Toko.
Toko, siki maya.
Toko. Hey. So you wash you wash
I wash
clothes?
my clothes.
What?
I'm wash my mother clothes until I say me have my clothes and for real go school and me found them.
What size you wear, Cranberry? Or what size Cranberry wear?
32
Better
or size 6.
Size 6.
Yeah.
Oh, 32. So Cranberry wear size 6 or 32. What size you wear?
Most nine and be
32.
32. Toko Loco, hello.
Toko not talk again.
Toko tired. Toko tired. Toko Loco ever jump the river. Alright, let me see. Toko Loco, let me see. Who like teddy bear? Not you. You like teddy bear?
Yes.
You like teddy bear? Sure. Oh, but she wanna go on teddy bear too.
Okay, what are you looking at? Yeah. Hi.
You want this one, Toko? Toko, so this come with this is a I think this come with it as well too. So you thank you. You want teddy bear, right? She said yes. Thank you. So that is from the Sunrise team, you know. You remember the nurse them?
Yes.
Yeah, so this
Thank
is
you, Miss Sunrise team.
So look, said thank you, Sunrise team.
Thank you, Sunrise team.
Okay, oh she can't talk it. She cannot talk it. Cranberry.
But she's shy.
Yeah?
She's afraid.
You afraid?
Say thank you.
Tell him thanks. You not tell him thanks, he tell him
You should not say anything.
She
else.
just wait too.
Oh. Cranberry, here you get a bag of money. Here, see a bag here with pure money in it. You get a bag of money. See, I put the money in the bag there, right? Shut up, face. Alright, Cranberry. I got some money for you, Cranberry. Got money for you, you know. You can spend US?
Yes.
Yes? You sure? We're gonna spend the US and buy.
Anything you want.
Anything you want? Alright, now stop shy. Move the bag for your face.
I got to tell him thanks.
Yes. So, I have 100 US here for you, you know, Cranberry. Whoa, take it up for her.
One roller that can
No, important though.
Check them up here.
a Korean
Yeah.
person.
And that is the sharpener bit we use to sharpen it right in here.
Hold and turn, so.
Anyhow you want to turn it.
I don't want to be one.
So how the stall are going?
You know, say them father go buy some snacks.
Oh.
Today, I end up making him go popping. But the river the dirty, you know. And it clear up back again. Even ask boom, the dirtier than this morning.
Oh. So you buy some stock and sell out?
Yeah.
Oh, when you stack up back again?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Alright then.
No, wow.
So next one drop down there, son?
Yeah, it can stay. I will park on can see.
There's some in the bush right here. Alright then, Cranberry, come here. So here I got 100 US here for you. From Miss Bonnie. Her name is Miss Bonnie from Florida. You know, this is
Bonnie.
yes. So yes, I thank Miss Bonnie from
Thank you, Miss Bonnie from Florida.
yeah, from Florida. Thank you so much. So
Thank you so much.
I want to thank Miss Bonnie. Miss Bonnie, we thank you so much. You know, for Cranberry, $100 US. So we got a foreign now. See, at the first I get a US. Oh.
Get that everything.
Oh, because she actually pay foreign she link with it. Yeah. See, you get $100 US there, and we have more for you. You know. I'm tell you what I have for you again, Miss Cranberry. So you have another $100 US here.
Yes.
And this is from Lorleen. She's from the Sunrise team. right? From the nurse them, she's from the Sunrise team. And she sent $100 for you as well. To her name is Lurleen.
Thank you, Lurleen.
From
Thank you very much.
Yeah, from the Sunrise team.
Sunrise team.
In Florida.
In Florida.
Alright, so Lurleen, she always watching, you know. So Lurleen, see her, can't believe she's thanking you so much, you know, for her donation.
Again.
You know. Dash it to her again. You know. So Lurleen, so blessings and thank you so much. So we have another donation here for cranberry. Cranberry. You know. So the same for the same. So this one is from Will. You know, for the mother to buy some more stocks and stuff. You know. Yes. From Will. So this is $14,000. You know. Here. Same here. So Will said I should give it to your mommy. For your mommy to buy some more stocks put on the stall for you. Okay?
Yeah.
So thank Will.
Thank you, Will.
From Canada.
From Canada.
Yes. So mommy count it, so it's 14,000.
14.
Yes.
Thank you, Will.
From Canada.
From Canada so much. And may God bless you.
Alright, and so you can go ahead and thank Miss Bunny as well too for the donation for cranberry.
And Miss Bunny, thank you so much for everything. And the Sunrise team,
yes,
thank you so much also.
Yeah, Miss Lurleen.
Miss Lurleen.
Yeah, we thank you so much. Talk a loco, you okay? You just wake. She's not in the mood. Yes guys, so I want to thank all the donation that we get from our extended family. We thank you so much for supporting this family, you know, supporting Cranberry, you know, and the family, you know, the mom, you know, to help to get back on their feet, you know. So at least now with Will, the mom can buy some more stuff, put on the stall. You know, Cranberry, she like to do a little hustling, you know. So a real hustler, you know, as young as she be, she's a hustler. You know, and the mom will continue to do them best. You know, as you can see, it's been raining, you know, so the river came down, right?
Yeah.
Yes, the river came down yesterday.
This morning, we woke up here.
I did clean yesterday.
It did clean yesterday. And this morning, get up, she said dirty, but it jar.
The jar don't know.
Yeah.
Well, at least.
Normally, if the rain fall in Portland, the water would normally dirty down here. And the rain not fall down here.
Not fall down here, yeah. Because that's where it always come from, way up.
Yeah.
And wash will come all the way down here. Because I can see it's still rough though. It's still rough. Yeah man guys, so thank you so much for helping out this wonderful family, you know, trying them best, you know. You deal for them alright with your foot?
Yeah, if it don't take time, you know, say my sister, she did watch a program and she end up bringing to one doctor and he must take it off every Saturday now.
Yeah.
And I want him to clean it, so she get a doctor to clean it for him.
Okay.
She has to pay him to clean it.
Okay.
So just say him have to pay 7,000, but she paid.
She paid.
And him have to just go back down there. Him end up put one something, I don't even know what. But him put a tape over it
and something nice
and one cream. So him say that we more heal it up.
Okay.
And him say them take out him like the red blood cell with the white blood cell, but them remove the white blood cell and put him by the red blood cell that the skin can heal.
Okay. Wow. So imagine him sister watch the program, right?
Yeah.
And him never knows that she
yeah, she end up helping.
Yes, you see, that is wonderful. That is wonderful. Toko, what happened to you? Wake up, man, wake up. Wake up, Toko. Alright, Toko. I give your sister 500, right? Because Toko look vexed. So give your sister 500, right? And we can buy ice cream, right? Yes. See, alright, Toko, wake up now. What you hear there, man? All the red. You know why? The teacher. Yeah, want to die on the ear.
A man teacher me have one in say why I'm gonna pour me and just I'm mad for those dye it out and no put
enough of dye it out and more chemical now put tonight not the ear or dye it out because the ear is natural. You need to go and research, you know, to find out what I go on. You don't leave my hand alone. What you want? This? You can't have this. You're not ready for this yet. Alright? Yeah? Let me give you away.
The mad, you know. Oh, just keep it, man.
Where you damage it?
Nah, my mother have only up here for weeks.
Oh, so you have only.
Always come give them.
Yeah.
So them
I'll keep them.
You see, when them always see them always remember them.
Mm-hmm.
So them always give them.
So you have enough already then, man. But this one is special here. Alright. So I'm gonna run leaving, you know, alright?
Alright.
Toko.
High
five.
Tell him bye.
Bye bye.
Tell him bye, no?
Oh. Cranberry. See you later.
Yeah, follow you.
Yeah, follow me.
Uno go and follow him and come.
Alright.
No better go down the board. Alright then, safe journey.
Yeah, man. Alright, take care. Leave it alone.
I want the camera.
You can't get the camera.
So the next camera away.
I have it.
Wait, man.
Go on. Run Toko.
Put the money in your pocket.
Toko. Hold on for the money. Boy.
Look, there's some guy ice cream here. Sometimes when I buy ice cream, then this tree. This over there. When I buy ice cream. I tell you to buy the passage. Then I want one here, sir. No.
No.
My sister buy the cream of passage. You get one ice cream like this. And all the banana money is not willing to give you the free. To give you free food if you come buy ice cream.
You don't afraid to jump the river? You're not afraid? You know, I'll talk a local every when you make my heart beat. No, sir.
So who do you hear?
Well, I'm a friend.
You have to come here.
You know who come here? God.
Daddy come here and come see me. Oh, daddy.
Hey. Toko. Jesus, I'm crying, Toko. No, sir. Yo, my heart reached out my mouth a while ago. God damn, save me can jump it. For me, afraid. Big man like me. No, sir. That's something else. Let's move on. Brave, sir. Toko, loco.
Sometimes we do the river.
Eh?
Sometimes we do the river.
Sometimes I only clean the river. So why not wear slippers? You Miss Toko, and you see.
You know why me wear my slippers? That is not my slippers. My slippers bust. And mommy said me to wear slippers. Since you really put up on the road. You see somewhere you're touching in your toe? My mother has some wear slippers. And two of them, something I mean, catching a night, right? I bought some more.
Oh.
Some forget one powder, put on my plant, I feel me tonight. And with them start scratching. So me have to bring father give to my feet and father one dog.
Okay. Come on there. Where you gonna take me? Boma! You see him already? Yeah, I see him already. Not say anything. Me and him was talking. Right. In a while, I haven't come up here to swim either. Pure rain. I know it goes already. Still not overcome yet. The fear. You know, worse in these times. Through the rain, yeah. That's gonna rain. Well, I'm sorry, Miss Charmaine, you know, the nurses, them from Sunrise team, you know, them all They're looking for kids to help out as well too. And this is tell them your name?
Nana.
Nana? Nana. So here's one, Nana. And we have come here Toko Loco. And we have Toko Loco. So stand up right here. And Cranberry come. You already over here. So we have 3 sisters here. You know, so nurses from Sunrise. Here is your choice. You know. Toko Loco, my friend is. You know, Nana. Yes. Alright then, and we have Cranberry here. So Miss Charmaine, you know it goes. So just tell me who choose who. And we can just work it from there, you know. To help out this family. You know, help the kids them to go back to school. Cause trust me, Cranberry have a lot of fans already. You know, Cranberry have a lot of fans. Toko Loco, guys. When I see Toko Loco jump the river every time, like a fret. I'm telling you, well, she have so much height in her jump, like it's quite amazing. How they just get used to this life living up here. You know, crossing the river every day. From a younger age, you know, and trust me, I'll be worried every day. I will be worried, you know, literally. In our oh, the hill?
Yeah.
So at least, look, it's gonna rain. It's getting dark now. It's gonna rain. Cloud is coming out. Alright then, so thank you guys. We can't go back now. See you after I just give $1 million a while ago.
Yeah, I'm talking to share that.
Count that.
1, 2. These are 3. What is it? 3 days, 4 days.
No.
3 and that. No. These are 3. No, this me.
3 and 3 is how much?
4.
3 and 3 is 6.
No, $600. 600.
See you next one there. Alright then, so Toko, don't worry, you get yours already. Here, Toko? Yeah. Toko, I'll give you 5 and she get 5. So 3 and you get 5, right? You get 6. You get 5. Yeah. Alright. How about you?
No, father, friend.
Okay. Alright then, so later, yeah? High five. High five. Come, Nana. Come, Cranberry. Cause I'm big. Come. Go up back the road now. Later. Bye. Bye. Yeah, I will. Yes, guys. So anyway, when your help is needed, you always have to just try and help out a situation, you know. Kids have the future, you know. So we need to give them some help where the help is all needed, you know. So blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. So I'm gonna head back down to Living Food. Before I go back to Trenchtown, I need to go to Living Food. Yes, to get something to eat and then head into Trenchtown right now. Right now. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm here at Lane Plaza. Gonna get myself some living food. So today I'm not at Ibos Spice, today I'm at Living Food. There you go. So getting some living food. First time? Good food, man. Good healthy food. How are you? Curry? And a curry there.
Regular comment, sir?
I'm a spot man. Well, if you watch it, I'll see.
Yeah, watch it. Watch it. Just recently, you got some main ones.
Miami. Yeah, I remember already. I was there.
One of my favorite.
No man, respect man. That's how I'm a spot, you know. Yes, an Ibos Spice.
Yes. That's the next one we need to try.
Yeah, breadfruit burger.
Yes.
You need to try it. It's really, really nice, man. Trust. You want me there? Let me get the burger, the jerk burger I'm always get. With the turmeric bun. Yeah, and the quinoa smoothie. Yeah, come here and get the quinoa smoothie. Avin. So you should try the quinoa smoothie. Yeah. And have avocado?
For the burger?
No, for the smoothie. Yeah, when them add it to it as well. So them and quinoa smoothie, you must try it. It's nice.
I will try. Why base on red?
It's like a protein smoothie. You know, you have everything in it very good for you. See, I mean, with the oats and everything. Trust me, you should try that one day. But big up yourself, man, and thanks for watching Keen every time, you know. Just listen. This guy said want to come back to living food, you know. Change it up sometime. Living food, Ibos Spice, you know the thing of living right at Living Foods.
That basically is to protect you from the satisfied of God residents. You can't just, even with an online program, the welfare residents is on board.
See, so this is my jerk burger made with black beans and my turmeric bun. This is the quinoa smoothie. It has pearly, you know. I'm not gonna tell you what's inside of it. You have to come and try it. That's the quinoa smoothie. So take a bite.
Right, but I know that yes, so many years ago. One thing that can draw them to is looking to see how we can get government of the United States and partner with us to train university, right? So those markets, right? It's hard for us all that we do so much more than the investment that's not at all here. kitchen, right, then we could produce well medicine universe that has theater and all, right. So I know we have the next one and not a whole movie for sure, because only 60 more forms because they're right into the level of
So guys, let me go enjoy and then I'll pick you back up. Let me give you a last bite. Finish. Right. Time to go. Carrie not here today.
No, she's not here today.
And today we have who we have here today?
Tasha.
Young Tash. Young Tash.
Yeah.
Alright, and that was nice.
Okay.
So let me get my bill please. What are these in here?
What, the cookies?
Are cookies these?
Oh, nuts.
Or nuts?
Yeah, mixed nuts.
Oh. It's like cake.
Can do the base for the raw cake.
Oh. I know those are cookies.
You know, for you,
Chris.
yeah, statement pieces.
Where's that again?
Right here.
Oh, there. Oh, you walk past and see me.
Those coming.
Oh. You're supposed to always see me on your TV anyway.
Yeah.
Are you phone?
Yeah, no problem.
Alright. Alright, thank you, yeah? Alright, beautiful. Alright, guys. So, that is me well set. Set. I give thanks. My belly is a bit full now. Eh? Which part? Which store? Yes. Wait, hold this up. What can you sell in there? Smoothie? Guys, so I go on up here. I'm running a bit late. Statement. So you're just coming from the healthy spot. Oh, this is a new spot. Shades. Oh, this new. 4 months. Okay. I never noticed this one. Oh, it's well new. Wellness spot. Okay. So these are the wellness spot. So guys, so this is a new place called Shades. So this is what Shay have to offer. Hello. Look at Shay's menu. So, who Shay? Oh, your wife. So tell them where I go on and tell them where you're located, man.
Yeah, man, you know, Shay's wellness spot. Next door again. How much Arbor Street again? 167 Arbor Street. And shop number 10, Lane Plaza.
Yes. So this one is located at shop number 10.
The one at shop number 10, Lane Plaza, right there, right now.
Right now.
Get a smoothie for you, fix up a smoothie for you.
So this is well new, like almost
4 months ago.
4 months. So it's new, so most people don't.
Six, you said six.
6.
Yeah, 6.
Okay. All right. So it's looking good, like really new. Shay's not here. Anna.
Yeah.
Anna, the smoothie touch.
Oh, shit.
And a big chef. So What you offer here?
For smoothies, wraps, that is bubble tea,
Yeah.
sandwiches, different healthy food and healthy drink.
Okay. So see there? So you can see everything are going right in front of your eye.
Take them to
Alright. Well new shades. Wow. You also have some cookies. So you look out for vegetarian as well to vegan, you have all them.
we do meal plan.
Yeah.
Special diet for people and everything there.
Okay. Very interesting. Right, Anna? I like your uniform though. Yes. I like the uniform. Looking like an air hostess. Looking like a... So alright, so what kind of special we can get?
You can get a shade special, which is our #1 smoothie.
So that's a special, right? What's inside the special?
So it's oats, almond milk, because we use plant-based milk, not cow's milk. And it's dates for the sweetening, cinnamon, vanilla, oats, and peanut butter, which is optional.
Okay.
And protein powder.
Okay. Sorry, like I'm just about smooth. Let me have the fruit one. Let me have a fruit one. They have a special for fruits.
So you can get like a berry blast.
A berry blast. Alright. So let me get the berry blast then. I'm gonna blast the day off. Right, Anna?
Right.
Yeah, Instagram a shout out.
Instagram, Neatbad.
Neatbad? Neatbad like...
NIQUE._bad with 3D.
Oh, so why you could have put meat good?
That's my name, Annie. So, Neat.
Why you put the bad? You could have put good.
Neatbad sometimes.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have the berries. Yeah. So guys, so this place is highly new, you know, so I'm gonna try the smoothies and see what it's like. So in here setup real nice, as you can see. It's newly new. Everything is well new, as you can see. Good. Shea Wellness. So you know them are celebrate Christmas already. Gift wrap, all the wraps, you name it. Wrap. So in general, YouTube channel named Kino Life.
I know if I'm somewhere, man. Yeah, look for it. I know him, man.
Run past already, I never noticed.
Watch everything, man.
KINO.
Life in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Subscribe to it, right, man, killer.
I eat that.
I don't know if I'm still, but I think you see now when I get to them one time.
Trench town.
You know, that is it.
Yeah, man, Trench town. Yes, I do some charity down there as well. Yeah, man. I want link, man. I want link. Yeah, man. Alright then. Yeah. 793 3921. Yeah. Okay, I'm panic, man. You don't know things. You can check out my YouTube channel, Kino Life in Jamaica, if you want. Kino Life in Jamaica, YouTube. KINO. See there. So right now we have premiere going on.
Okay, the store is across the river. You have something to do now? You take it to the store.
Where's the store? Perfume. Oh. Where is that? I'm not going to give you a link. I'm not heading a church so now. But some church.
Vision Plaza.
Where's that? On this road?
Where is Soapville?
Huh?
Soapville Plaza.
Southern Plaza, where's that?
More Susie's.
Susie's, yeah.
Across Susie's.
Okay, but inside the same spot where Susie's are.
No, across.
Okay. So it's just right here then.
Yeah.
Alright.
Shop number 1.
Shop number 1. Alright, let's see how it works.
We customize for food.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So that means, so tell them where your store located so that who's watching can come check it out before.
Yeah, man. Shop number 1. Vision Plaza, Principles Fragrance. Customized perfumes, candles, body butters, lotion.
Yeah.
All type of skincare.
Alright then. So you hear that guys, so you can go and give them a check out. It's not far from you, just across the road right here. So you can go. Alright, so here I'm gonna have my berry blast off the day. Well, look up both here as well too, boy. One jam. So one stop. Huh? Wait, something special I go for it. Right. See it? Right now I'm getting some special treatment. Special. You find the channel? You find it? How I go on? Oh, you put it on the label. Shades. I like how the place goes. Open it for me, please. Bossy Anna. Anna. Oh. Anna is very handy. See, just try to feel it. One time camera go find yourself. One stop. Go there, Anna, go there. Oh, that is it. Yeah, my general. Big up, you know. I like the look, a good look, you know. I like the look. Alright, you're listening. Anna. Alright, no problem. Anna. I'm gonna try it right now. So if Anna touch is really the unique touch or what Anna touch. Why them call it Anna? Annabelle. The pet name. Why you not pet?
My alias.
Oh, no, you're talking. Alright, so Anna, come here. So tell me what's inside of this now.
So it's raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, pineapple, and strawberry.
Okay. So here the berry, and I want pineapple in the thing. So. Oh, it tastes like I eat jam. Yeah, this tastes good. So, this will blast me to the past right now, even though the present, you know? So guys, the berry blast really tastes good. Now like, especially when the day is very hot, and you're drinking something like this, put it right back on the spot. Right, Anna?
Right.
Big up. Anna. And this is an Anna Blast. You should call it Anna Blast. Yeah? Alright then, take care, yeah? General, manners. Alright, see there? Cool, man.
See?
Yes, I like the look, you know?
Yes.
Like the look. Yeah, man, cool, man. Yes, alright, big up. So you see it works, you know? Just step out of one store. It's Sam with the camera and that's it. We collaborate. You know, so it's very new. Same place in Lane Plaza here. You can come check it out. Living Food is right there. And it's right there. You know, so but this tastes really good. I'm not even gonna go around. This berry blast really tastes good. So I'm well feeling good. So I just had a smoothie. Now I'm having the berries with a pineapple on it. So good look, trust. So it seems like I'm gonna face some traffic right now. Feel like I reach. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.